Alright, I'm going to be changing the module from 60 watts to 40 watts on the Aliencell X1. So the first thing I do is pull this out and bring this out where I can work on it. And on the left hand side over here, there's a little lever. All we do is pull that lever down to unlock it. Come on to the right side, pull off the air assist, pull out the electrical plug, and slide out the 60 watt module. Now you want to make sure that the laser is not on while you're doing this. Once you've got that module out, you got to line it up, drop it in, pull the lever up on the right side, lock it in place. Come back to this side, plug in your air assist, and plug your power back in. And that's it. We're done. At this point, you can turn the laser back on, and it will automatically find that new laser module and update the settings. Now it's found the module and it's going to home. And you'll see that this touchscreen now says 40 watt. And that's it. That's everything that you need to do to change your module from any power. It doesn't matter. 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 40. Very simple, very easy to do. And you do see that it says synchronizing laser firmware. So now it's at 100%. And it's all finished. Confirm that. We're done.